Hi, hello my dear students, a very good evening to all of you. Warm welcome to Turito live classes. So, we are discussing the chapter real numbers. So, in previous two classes, we have learned some concepts. In today's class, we are going to learn some more concepts related to real numbers. Okay. Now, in today's class, in real numbers or number system, we are going to discuss laws of exponents of real numbers. Laws of exponents of real numbers. We are going to discuss this topic in today's schedule. Yeah. So, what we have discussed in the previous classes, so representing real numbers on the number line and properties of real numbers. So, this is recap. So, what we have discussed in the previous class. So, representing real numbers on the number line and properties of real numbers. Next, here learning objectives means what we are going to discuss in today's class in the chapter number system. So, we will learn following concept in this topic in the chapter real numbers or number system. So, laws of exponents of real numbers. Laws of exponents of real numbers, and we can do some problems related to laws of exponents of real numbers. So, if you remember in our previous class, in 8th class in the chapter exponents and powers, we have discussed some formulae. Just we can recap them, and after that we can do the problems related to those concepts. Now, so laws of exponents of real numbers. If you suppose that A and B are real numbers, A greater than 0 and B greater than 0 means both are positive. Both are positive. You must take the two real numbers A and B on the right side of 0. Why? On the right side of 0 on the real number line, we know all the numbers are positive real numbers, and m comma n are rational numbers, means in the form of p by q. Real number means what is the meaning of real number? Already we have discussed that. The combination of rational and irrational numbers is known as real number. So, you may take any two real numbers A and B, and remember both A and B are positive, A, B greater than 0, and m comma n are rational numbers, means the numbers which are in the form of p by q. Then A power m into A power n equal to A power m plus n. So, already in 8th exponents and power chapter we know. So, according to A power m, A is known as base and m is known as power or exponent. Similarly, for A power n, A is the base and power n is the exponent or power. By multiplying these two, we are getting A power m plus n. So, by observing LHS part, A power m into A power n, clearly we can say here the bases are equal. The bases are equal and the powers are different. So, here we can remember this formula. If the bases are equal and the powers are different, then you can add the powers and you can take the same base. A power m into A power n. Here we have the base A 2 times. After simplifying in RHS, we have A power m plus n. Second one, A power m by A power n equal to A power m minus n. So, by observing first one, A power m into A power n. A power m into A power n means we are multiplying. Here A power m by A power means that is the quotient. Means we are dividing the numerator A power m by the denominator A power n, then you will get RHS as A power m minus n. Here also by observing this formula, in numerator and denominator we have the same base but the powers are different. So, if we have A power m by A power n, then we can write A power m minus n. Next, If you take third one, a power m whole power n or a power n whole power m equal to a power mn. A power mn. A power m whole power n. Here first a power m is one term. Again we have another power, that is n. Or you may take a power n whole power m. So by simplifying that you will get a power mn. Next, a power m into b power m equal to a into b power m. So by observing this formula where the base is a, here the base is b, but the power is same. The power is same. A power m into b power m can be written as a into b whole power m. Next, a by b power m. So by observing this formula and this formula, here a power m into b power m means we are multiplying. Here a by b power m means we are dividing a by b, but we have the same power m by separating the numerator and denominator. So you will get a power m by b power m. Next, a power minus m equal to a power minus m equal to 1 by a power m, where minus m means that is negative rational number. So clearly I said m comma n are rational numbers. So where a is base, that is the real number. A power minus m can be written as 1 by a power m. Next, a power 0 equal to 1. So in place of a you may take any number in place of a you may take any number other than 0. Here don't consider a as 0. So if you take a equal to 0, then you will get 0 power 0, that is not defined. That is not defined. That's why you must take a is a non-zero number. So whatever the base a may be, if we have the power 0, then we can say the value is 1. A power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. So for example, if we take 2 cube into 2 power 5. By observing in place of a we have 2. In place of m we have 3, in place of n we have 5. According to this formula we can write 2 power m plus n, 3 plus 5, 8. Where 2 cube equal to 8, 2 into 2 into 2. 2 power 5 means 32, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 32. If you multiply these two, 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja 24 plus 1, 25. That is the value of 2 cube into 2 power 5. Similarly, if you find 2 power 8, 2 power 8 means you have to multiply 2 into 2 into 2 8 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. By multiplying these 8 2's, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32 into 2, 64 into 2, 128 into 2, 256. So by simplifying 2 cube into 2 power 5, we have 256. By simplifying a power m plus n, 2 power 8, we have 256. So that's why we can write 2 cube into 2 power 5 as 2 power 8. Similarly, if we take a power m by a power n. So for example, if we take 4 power 3 by 4 square, 4 power 3 by 4 square, here by observing 4 cube by 4 square, in place of a we have 4, m equal to 3 and n equal to 2. So here by simplifying a power m minus n, 4 power 3 minus 2, 4 power 3 minus 2. So if you simplify, 4 cube means 4 into 4 into 4, 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64. By denominator 4 square means 16. We can cancel 64 by 16 4 times, we got 4. RHS 4 power 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 means 1. 4 power 1 is, this is also 4. So that's why by simplifying 4 cube by 4 square, we got LHS is 4 and RHS is also 4. If you take third one, a power m whole power n or a power n whole power m. So for example, if we take 5 square power 4 or 5 power 4 whole square. So simply you can write 5 power multiply 2 into 4 8 or 4 into 2 8. So 5 square means 25. 25 power 4 means 25 into 25 into 25 into 25. By simplifying that you will get some value. By simplifying 5 power 8 also you will get the same value. So if you take a power m into b power m, a power m into b power m means here you have to take the same power but the bases are different. So for example, if we take 4 square into 5 square, 4 square into 5 square, in place of a we have 4, in place of b we have 5. So we can write, so a into b, 4 into 5 20 whole square, where 4 square means 16, 5 square means 25, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25. Multiply 16 5s are 80, 16 2s are 32, plus 8 40, 400. If you take RHS 20 square, that is also 20 into 20, 400. So that's why when the powers are same and the bases are different, we can apply this property, a power m into b power m equal to a into b power m. Next, if you take fifth one, a by b power m equal to a power m by b power m. So 10 by 7 power 6. So in place of a we have 10, in place of b we have 7, but we have taken the same power, that is 6. By separating the numerator and denominator, 10 power 6 by 7 power 6. So we can express 10 by 7 power 6 as 10 power 6 by 7 power 6. If we take this one, a power 0 equal to 1, in place of a you may take any number other than 0. So for example, if you take 10 power 0, you can say that is 1 only. If you take 5 power 0, you can say that is 1. If you take 997 power 0, that is also 1. In place of a you may take any real number other than 0, then we can say the value is 1. If we have 0 power 0, we can say that is not defined. That is not defined. So what is the meaning of 0 power 0? We have to express 0 0 times. That is meaningless. So that's why we can say 0 power 0 is not defined. So these are the laws of exponents of real numbers. Now we can do some problems related to the concepts which we have discussed so far. So hope you understood, but here practice is important. So first of all, you have to follow the class seriously. After that, so you have to maintain your notes and you have to practice. So after proper practice, easily you can understand. Next, so now we are doing the problems related to laws of exponents of real numbers. Now look at this. Simplify 3 power 3 by 4 into 3 power 1 by 4. Simplify 3 power 3 by 4 into 3 power 1 by 4. So actually where the base is 3, the powers are given are 3 by 4 and 1 by 4. So here the bases are same and the powers are different. The bases are same and the powers are different. So just we have discussed the formula a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. A power m into a power n, bases are same and the powers are different. So according to that formula, we can write 3 power 3 by 4 into 3 power 1 by 4 equal to, where the base is 3 and the powers are 3 by 4 and 1 by 4. 3 power 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So that equal to 3 power 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. By observing the power, we have 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Both are rational numbers and have the same denominator 4. So when the denominator is same, then we know how to add the rational numbers. In the previous class, means in 8th class we have discussed. If the denominator is same for the given two rational numbers, just you can add the numerators. where the numerator is 3, where the numerator is 1. So by adding them, you will get 3 plus 1 by 4. 3 plus 1 by 4. So from this you will get 3 power 3 plus 1 4 by 4, 4 get cancelled, that equal to 3. So by simplifying 3 power 3 by 4 into 3 power 1 by 4, we got 3. So by observing the given problem here, this is in the form of a power m into a power n. So that's why you have to apply the formula a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. So when the bases are same, then you have to add the powers. So just like that, can you say what is the answer for 4 power 1 by 2 into 4 power 3 by 2? What is your answer? So can you send your answer in the chat box? 4 power 1 by 2 into 4 power 3 by 2. Yes, very good. Yeah. Here also we have the same base. So that's why you can take 4 power 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. That is 4 power where the denominator is same, that is 2, by adding the numerators. 1 plus 3 4 by 2. 2 times cancel, that is 4 square. 4 square means 4 into 4 16. That's why we can say the value of 4 power 1 by 2 into 4 power 3 by 2 is 16. Very simple. So look at the given problem. Once you have to check whether the bases are same or not. If the bases are same and the powers are different, just you can apply the formula a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. So hope you understood. I am going to next problem. Simplify 5 power 1 by 3 by 5 power 1 by 6. By observing this fraction, in numerator and denominator we have the same base. In numerator and denominator we have the same base 5, 5. But we have different denominators 1 by 3 and 1 by 6. So we know, according to laws of exponents, a power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n. A power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n. In place of a, what we have? 5. In place of m, we have 1 by 3. In place of n, we have 1 by 6. So you can compare the given problem with a power m by a power n. 5 power 1 by 3 by 5 power 1 by 6 equal to. So the formula is a power m minus n. 5 power 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6. 5 power 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6. So by observing 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6. So clearly they are rational numbers. But here we have different denominators. When we have different denominators, then you can take the LCM of denominators. So for 3 comma 6, by taking the LCM, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. So 3 into 1 into 2, 3 2 ja 6, 6 into 1 6. So that's why 6 can be taken as the denominator for the power. So you can take 5 power by taking 6 as LCM. By taking 6 as LCM. If we divide 6 by 3, 3 2 times, 2 1 ja 2, minus by dividing 6 by the 6, 6 1 ja 6, 1 into 1, 1. So that equal to 5 power 2 minus 1 is 1 by 6. So by simplifying 5 power 1 by 3 by 5 power 1 by 6, we got 5 power 1 by 6. So here, by looking at the given problem is in the form of a power m by a power n. How can you say? By observing the numerator and denominator, we have the same base, but the powers are different. So that's why by applying the formula a power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n, we got this. So can you say what is the answer for 10 power 5 by 10 cube? What is the answer? If we have 10 power 5 by 10 power 3. So can you send your answer? 10 power 5 by 10 cube. It's very simple. Here also, by looking at this problem, in numerator and denominator we have the same number. So that's why 10 power 5 minus 3, that is 10 square. 10 square means 10 into 10 equal to 100. So you can take some more examples like this. So how can you take? In numerator and denominator you can take the same base, and you can take the powers as different. You can take the base in numerator and denominator as same and take different denominators and apply that formula a power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n. Next, simplify 3 power 3 by 4 into 3 power 1 by 4. So I think this problem is repeated, just we have discussed now. So here also by taking 3 power 3 by 4 into 3 power 1 by 4, 3 power 3 by 4 into 3 power 1 by 4. So where the base is same, 3 power 3 by 4 into 3 power 1 by 4, the base is same by adding the powers. So since the bases are same and the powers are different, then you can take a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. So according to that formula we can write 3 power 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, where by taking 4 as LCM you will get numerator 3 plus 1 by 4. So that is 3 power 4 by 4, 4 get cancelled, that is 3 power 1 equal to 3. So the value of 3 power 3 by 4 into 3 power 1 by 4 is 3 only. So just you can apply the formula a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. Next, simplify 16 power 3 by 2. 16 power 3 by 2. So by observing 16, clearly we can say that is a perfect square. In 8th standard, we learnt about squares and square roots. Squares and square roots. According to that concept, we can say 16 is a perfect square. So why 16 can be written as 4 into 4 means 4 square. 16 can be written as 4 into 4 means 4 square. That's why we can say 16 is a perfect square number. Now we can write the 16 as 4 square or 4 power 2 by writing 16 power 3 by 2 equal to, by writing 16 as 4 square power 3 by 2. 3 by 2. So just we have learnt one formula, that is a power m whole power n equal to a power mn. A power m whole power n equal to a power mn. A power m whole power n or a power n whole power m equal to a power mn. Here a equal to 4. M into n, 2 into 3 by 2. In place of m we have 2. In place of n we have 3 by 2. So that's why we can write a power 4 power mn, 2 into 3 by 2. 2 get cancelled. 2 to get cancelled, we have 4 cube. 4 cube means we have to write 4 3 times and multiply. 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64. 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64. So the value of 16 power 3 by 2 is 64. So can you say what is the value of 81 power 1 by 2? What is your answer, ma'am? What is the value of 81 power 1 by 2? Yeah. So first you can check whether 81 is a perfect square or not. Write 81 as 9 square. 9 square power 1 by 2. So 9 power 2 into 1 by 2 to get cancelled, you will get 9. So you can do. So just like that, you can take some perfect square numbers and you can apply the formula a power m whole power n equal to a power mn. So hope you understood. I am going to next problem. Simplify 125 power minus 1 by 3. By observing this problem where 125 is a perfect cube. So in 8th class, so we have discussed cubes and cube roots. In 8th class, we have discussed cubes and cube roots. According to that, 125 can be written as 5 cube. 125 means 5 into 5 into 5. That is 125. Again, you can apply the formula a power m whole power n, where 125 can be expressed as 5 into 5 into 5. 5 into 5 into 5. So that is nothing but 5 power 3 or 5 cube. 5 power 3 or 5 cube. Simplify 125 power minus 1 by 3. So we got 125 equal to 5 into 5 into 5, 5 cube. Now in place of 125 by writing 5 cube. 125 power minus 1 by 3. In place of 125 by writing 5 cube power minus 1 by 3. Again, that is in the form of a power m whole power n, where a equal to 5, m equal to 3, n equal to minus 1 by 3. A power m whole power n equal to a power mn, where what is a? 5, what is m? 3, what is n? Minus 1 by 3. So you will get 5 power 3 into minus 1 by 3, a power mn, where we can cancel 3, 3. So we have 5 power minus 1. 5 power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 5. So why? So we have discussed the formula a power minus m equal to 1 by a power m. So when we have the negative exponent or negative power, then you can take that to the denominator. So with respect to a power minus m equal to 1 by a power m, we can write 5 power minus 1 as 1 by 5 power 1. 5 power 1 is nothing but 5 only. So that's why we can say the value of 125 power minus 1 by 3 is 1 by 5. So just like that, can you say what is the value of 8 power minus 2 by 3? What is your answer? 8 power minus 2 by 3 is given. So what is the simplified value? So we can send your answers in the chat box. I can check. Some students have sent me the answer. Okay, yeah, that's great. So just you can write 8 as 2 cube, 2 power 3, power minus 2 by 3, 3 get cancelled, 2 power minus 2, that is nothing but 1 by 2 square, that is 1 by 4. So the value of 8 power minus 2 by 3 is 1 by 4. So here we have applied the formula a power m whole power n equal to a power mn and a power minus m equal to 1 by a power m. Next. Evaluate 32 power 1 by 5 plus minus 7 power 0 plus 64 power 1 by 2. So where 32 here power 1 by 5 is there. Here 64 power 1 by 2 is there. So according to the power you can modify the base. You can modify the base. Here 32 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 5 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. So that's why 32 can be written as 2 power 5. 2 power 5. So 2 power 5 power 1 by 5. Again that is in the form of a power m whole power n. Second term is minus 7 power 0. So just I told you, whatever the base may be except 0, if the power is 0, then we know the value is 1. So that's why minus 7 power 0 can be written as 1. minus 7 power 0 can be written as 1. Next, 64 power 1 by 2. So 64 can be written. 64 can be written as 8 into 8. So that equal to 8 square. That equal to 8 square. 64 is a perfect square number. So why? We know 8 square equal to 64. Now in place of 32 by writing 2 power 5. In place of 64 by writing 8 square you will get. So 32 power 1 by 5. In place of 32 I am writing 2 power 5 power 1 by 5 plus minus 7 power 0 is 1. Why? Whatever the base may be except 0, if the power is 0, then we know the value is 1. So a power 0 equal to 1. In place of 64 by writing 8 square. 8 square power 1 by 2. Now here 2 power 5 power 1 by 5 and 8 square power 1 by 2. Both are in the form of a power m whole power n. A power m whole power n equal to a power mn. So that's why 2 power 5 power 1 by 5 can be written as 2 power 5 into 1 by 5 plus 1 plus 8 power 2 into 1 by 2, where we can cancel 5 5. Here we can cancel 2 2. So that equal to 2 plus 1 plus 8. Where 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 8 equal to 11. So the simplified value of 32 power 1 by 5 plus minus 7 power 0 plus 64 power 1 by 2 is 11. For solving this problem, we have used the formula a power m whole power n equal to a power mn and a power 0 equal to 1. Express 32 as 2 power 5 and 64 as 8 square. After simplification, we got 11. So hope you understood. Next, evaluate 0.00032 power minus 2 by 5. So by observing clearly, this is a decimal number. This is a decimal number 0.00032. So when we have the decimal numbers, then you can convert them into fractions. Already in 6th class, we have the chapter fractions and decimals. According to that, we can write 0.00032. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 decimals are there. So that's why you can multiply and divide by 1 lakh. 5 zeros means 1 lakh. So we can write 0.00032 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means 1 lakh. Denominator also 1 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, so if you multiply 0.00032 by 1 lakh, you will get 32. Denominator, you can keep 1 lakh as it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 1 lakh. So here I have taken 0.00032 and I have multiplied and divided by 1 lakh. So we got 32 by 1 lakh. Now in place of 0.00032, we can write 32 by 1 lakh. 0.00032 power minus 2 by 5 equal to, in place of 0.00032, I am writing 32 by 1 lakh. 32 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 power minus 2 by 5. Minus 2 by 5. So in numerator we have 32. That can be written as 2 power 5. In the denominator we have 1 lakh. That can be written as 10 power 5. 100, 10 square, 2 zeros. 1000, 10 cube, 3 zeros. 10,000, 10 power 4, 4 zeros. Just like that, since 5 zeros are there, we can write the denominator as 10 power 5. Numerator is 2 power 5. Denominator is 10 power 5 power minus 2 by 5. So 2 power 5 by 10 power 5 power minus 2 by 5. By observing 2 power 5 by 10 power 5, we have the same power, but the denominators are different. So we have the formula a power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n. A power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n. So according to that formula, so here we have 2 power 5. So actually here the bases are different. So we can use this formula when the when the bases are same and the powers are different. But here by observing this, we have same power and we have the different bases. So that's why here we can write. So you can apply this form: a power m by b power m equal to a by b power m. We can apply this formula. So by observing that formula, clearly we can say the bases are different and the powers are same. According to that formula, in place of a we have 2, in place of b we have 10. So 2 by 10 power 5 whole power minus 2 by 5. So we can cancel 10 by 2 exactly 5 times. So now we have 1 by 5 power 5 power minus 2 by 5. So 2 by 10 means 1 by 5. 1 by 5 power 5 minus 2 by 5. So again by applying the formula a power m whole power n equal to a power m into n. So we can write 1 by 5 power 5 into minus 2 by 5. 5 into minus 2 by 5. So we can cancel 5. So what is the remaining part? You will get 1 by 5 power minus 2. 1 by 5 power minus 2. So we have the formula a power minus m equal to 1 by a power m. A power minus m equal to 1 by a power m. Here we have 1 by 5 power minus 2. According to that formula, you can take 5 to the numerator, that can be written as 5 power minus 1. 5 power minus 1 power minus 2. So by taking 5 to the numerator, we can write 5 power minus 1 according to this formula. In place of m, we have 1. 5 power minus 1 power minus 2. Again by applying this formula, a power m whole power n equal to a power mn. So 5 power minus 1 into minus 2. So minus into minus plus 5 square. 5 square means 25. So that is the value of 0.00032 power minus 2 by 5. So since we have 5 decimals, so that's why you can divide and multiply by 1 lakh and write 32 as 2 power 5 and 1 lakh as 10 power 5 and use the formula a power m by b power m equal to a by b power m, a power m whole power n equal to a power mn and a power minus m equal to 1 by a power m. So for solving the given problem, we have used these 3 formulas. Hope you understood. So when we have the decimals, just you can do the problem like this. Okay, next. Evaluate cube root of 343 power minus 2. This is not 3 into cube root. So if x is any number, then we can represent cube root of x by like this. Cube root of x is nothing but x power 1 by 3. X power 1 by 3. Already in 8th class, we have learnt about cubes and cube roots. So according to that formula, according to that chapter, if x is any number, cube root of x can be represented like this, x power 1 by 3. That is not 3 into root x. 3 into root x is differ from cube root of x. Here according to that, in place of cube root, we have cube root only. In place of x, we have 343 and here we have the power minus 2. So we know 343 can be written as 7 cube. 7 into 7 into 7. 7 7 ja 49. 49 into 7 you will get 343. So we can write 7 cube. 343 can be written 7 into 7 into 7 equal to 7 cube. So here 343 can be written as 7 cube power minus 2. 7 cube power minus 2. Here we can write cube root of 343 power minus 2. Cube root of 343 power minus 2 equal to, first if, let us apply that formula, cube root of x equal to x power 1 by 3. Cube root of x equal to x power 1 by 3. So according to that we can write 343 power minus 2 power 1 by 3. Power 1 by 3. 343 power minus 2 power 1 by 3. Again this is in the form of a power m whole power n. 343 is a. M is minus 2 and n is 1 by 3. A power m whole power n equal to a power mn. A power m whole power n equal to a power mn. So according to that formula, so we can write this as, so 343 power minus 2 into 1 by 3. So that formula, a power m whole power n equal to a power mn. So 343 power minus 2 into 1 by 3. Again 343 can be written as 7 cube. 343 can be written as 7 cube. So 7 cube power minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 into 1 by 3 is minus 2 by 3. Again by applying the same formula, a power m whole power n equal to a power mn. So what will you get? 3 into minus 2 by 3. 3 into minus 2 by 3. So 7 power 3 into minus 2 by 3 can be written as 3 into minus 2 by 3. 3 get cancelled. So from this you will get 7 power 3 into minus 2 by 3. 3 get cancelled. We have 7 power minus 2. 7 power minus 2. Again by applying the formula, a power m whole power n equal to a power mn. So we got 7 power minus 2. Here again by taking the formula, a power minus m equal to 1 by a power m. A power minus m equal 1 by a power m. So according to that, 7 power minus 2 can be written as 1 by 7 square. 7 power minus 2 can be written as 1 by 7 square. So what is the meaning of 7 square? 7 into 7. So 7 into 7, that equal to 49. So the value of cube root of 343 power minus 2 is 1 by 49. So this problem is related to cube root of a number. If x is any number, then we know cube root of x is denoted by like this, and we can write that as x power 1 by 3. If the power is 1 by 2, that is square root. If the power is 1 by 3, that is cube root. So 343 can be written as 7 cube. 343 can be written as 7 cube. So in place of 340. So first of all, you can write cube root of 343 power minus 2 as 343 power minus 2 power 1 by 3. Apply the formula, a power m whole power n equal to a power mn. So by simplifying, so 7 power 3 into minus 2 by 3, 3 get cancelled. We have 7 power minus 2, that is 1 by 7 square, that equal to 1 by 49. So just like this, so can you say, so what is the value of square root of 625? So square root of 625 power minus 3. So can you say, what is the value of square root of 625 power minus 1 by 3? So you can send your answers in the chat box, I can check. So we have, in today's class, we have learned laws of exponents of the powers, and we have done some problems related to that. In next class, we can discuss some more concepts related to real numbers. So thank you all, my dear students, for subscribing to Turito. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Thank you all.